And, ma'am, I just want to check, can I have your name and how young?
Check po. Check. Two.
Really? You look so young. Okay. Ayan, Ma'am Che, this is your flower. And have a seat muna dito. Okay, there we go. Ayan. So, gentlemen, if you wanna meet Che, ako bahala sa inyo. Makukuha natin ang number nito. Sumali lang kayo. Okay, for our gentlemen, ayan, i-request naman ni Sir Clint. The following guys, okay, Marty De Santa, Henry Consulta, Daniel Diaz, Japet Isadera, Patrick James, Joffrey Isadera, Luke De Salas, and Alex Laconsay. Ayan. Please come forward. Alright, Sir Clint, dito naman tayo sa gitna. Okay. Ayan, nasa na yung mga kalalakihan natin? Again, bahala kayo. Malay nyo, seryoso si ma'am. Bigyan tayo ng iPhone 16. Charot. Okay. Uy, special talaga yung prize. Of course, hindi ko na pwede masabi. Ayan. Nasaan yung mga gentlemen na tinawag? Okay, Marty, Henry, Daniel, Japet, Patrick, Joffrey, Luke, and Alex. Okay, yan. Sir Clint, dito muna tayo sa gitna. Gentlemen, pagkitnaan lang natin si Sir. Okay, let's take a photo. Oh, tatatlo pa lang. Okay. Ayaw ninyo ha. Yung mga tinawag na pangalan kanina, pwede pakituro ko kung katalino sila. Ah, si Sir. Okay. Nananahimik pa si Sir, ha? Okay. Sir, join us. Okay. So, 5 then. Okay na tayo with 5. Alright? Pagkitnaan lang natin si Sir Clint. Let's take a photo. Ah, si Sir Len tinawag. Ay, sorry, may additional. Ayan. Hindi mo inalusot ni Madam. Ito tinawag to. Okay. Si Sir Len ba tinawag? Hindi naman. Okay. One more. Okay, let's take a photo. So we have 6 gentlemen in the house. Okay. Ayan. Let's take a photo. Alright, there. Sir Clint! Alright, please come forward. Okay. Guys, same mechanics as earlier. Okay. Garter throwing. If you want to be safe, gusto lang umupo, catch the garter. Okay, and the last gentleman na hindi makakasala ng garter will be fortunately be paired to kay Ma'am Chean. Okay. Ma'am Che pala. Okay, ayan. Alright. Clint, as I count 1, 2, 3, this is the only time you will be throwing that garter. Alright, ready now. In 3, 2, 1, and go! Okay, mga basketballista at pataas tumalon. Alright, you're safe now. Alright, pasa natin ulit kay Sir Clint. Okay, ayan. Yung iba, kung ayaw sumalo dahil gusto makilala si Ma'am Che, okay. Okay, again, agawan ko ha, hanggang sa isa na lang ang natitira. Sir Clint, ready now, in 3, 2, 1, go! Wala pa! Alright, ready now, go! Alright, you're safe now. Safe now, sister. Okay. 4 remaining. Nag-cross to sister. Alright. Okay, ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! Okay! There we go. You're safe now. Last 3. Okay. Please get ready. Oh, bakit tumatakbo dun sa mangke? Nawala lang yung pogi, tumakbo na. Charot. Okay. Quick check lang daw. Okay. Sir Clint, ready now. In 3, 2, 1, go! Okay! Alright, there we go. Last 2. The last gentleman na hindi makakasalo. Okay. May pabonus ako sa iyo. Okay, ready now? Be ready. Clint, in 3, 2, 1, go! Bakit tumili? Okay, go. Ready now. 1, 2, 3, go! Yes! We have a winner! name and how young?
Secret po. Daniel po. And 29 years old.
Oh, really? Mukha ng bata. Parang pinabili lang ng mga suka sa tindahan. Pero sumali na sa atin. Okay. Ma'am, sir, do you guys know each other? Okay. Gusto mo ba siya makilala? Charot. Ma'am, sir, dito naman na tayo. Tatayo tayo. And of course, our couple. Dito muna tayo, December. Oh, doon na lang sila sa taas. Okay, doon na lang sa taas. For everyone to witness. Okay. And this time, let us do the last part. Okay. Sir, tabi mo kay Neyman doon. Okay. Okay. Maxima po nasa gitna. Okay, doon po kayo sa kabila. Alright. Yeah. Before that, let's take a photo of our winners here. Okay. So last challenge. Okay. Now, of course, it's all about love and sweetness ngayong araw na ito. So, the challenge would be, I will be requesting our couple here to show to each and everyone how much love they have for each other with a kiss. Okay? And kung paano po nila gagawin yun, all you need to do is to copy it exactly. Kasi madam, oh hindi! Parang lugi-lugi naman. Oo, okay. Okay.
Pareho po kami ng gusto.
Let's have a second round.
Ayan, para ma-experience, di ba? First time, okay. Now, again, Clint, and of course, our beautiful Giselle here. Please, show to everyone how much love you have for each other. Can you show us the sweetest kiss ever? Okay. Ayan, copyhin ninyo kung paano nila gagawin. Okay. Kabang-kaba naman to si Sir, oh. Okay. Oh, sabi niya, paano na? Okay. Sweetest kiss ever, Clint and Giselle. Wow, that is so sweet! Kaya ba, sir? Kaya ba? Okay. Ayan. Pwede kang tubig, baka tumumba tumamaya pag ginawa niya. Okay. O kaya yung mga panghilo-hilo. Okay. Ayan, sa kamay lang. The sweetest. Okay. This is the sign, correct? This is it. Let's all watch, of course, our winners here with their kiss. Parang gusto mo magmano na lang. Okay? Ano nangyayari? Tawag-tawag na. Okay, game. Okay. Sweetest kiss ever. There you go! A round of applause! Okay, again, maraming salamat. Ayan, ipasa natin ang premyo nila. Talagang naghirap si Sir, ano? Yung itsura niya. Okay, ma'am, sir, have a seat right there.